Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through how to archive a carousel you've shared from your activity by date on Instagram on PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Then, at the bottom left corner, click on the More icon, or the three dots. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu that pops up. This will take you to the section where you can find all the photos and videos you've shared, including carousels. Now, from the Photos and Videos section and the Reels section, you can see the carousels you've shared. Click on Sort and Filter to narrow down your search. Enter the start date and the end date for the period of the carousel you want to archive. This will help you filter out the specific carousel you're looking for. Once you've entered the dates, click on Apply to see the carousels within that time frame. Then click on Select to choose the carousel you want to archive. After selecting the carousel, click on Archive and confirm the step. Your carousel will now be archived, keeping it safe and organized for future reference. And that's it. You've successfully archived a carousel you've shared from your activity by date on Instagram on PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.